Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss some of the results based on error function. This is the error function. Error function of t is equal to 2 by square root of pi integral 0 to t e power minus u square du. Here we have to prove this. So see here, error function of square root of t, no, that means in place of t we are going to substitute square root of t in this error function. So in place of t, substituting square root of t, we will get this one. We will get this one. See here, e power minus x expansion. In place of x here having u square, that means x is u square. E power minus x expansion is 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial and so on. See here, x is u square, no, so x is u square. So x square means, see, u square whole square, no. That's why you will get here u power 4 by 2 factorial. See here. Now integrating with respect to u. See here, we will get, if you do the integration, you will get here u. Integration of du is u. Here integral x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, no, that is here in place of x here having u. So u power 2 plus 1 is u cube by 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly this one also. Now substituting limits 0 to square root of t. We are substituting square root of t here. So if you substitute 0, you will get totally 0 value. 2 by square root of pi, you will get same as it is. In place of u, we are going to substitute square root of t. So square root of t can be written as t power 1 by 2. Here also same. We are writing same as it is. So here a power m whole to the power of n in this form, we can write it as a power mn. That means we need to multiply these two. Half into 3 means 3 by 2, t power 3 by 2. Similarly we get half into 5 is t power 5 by 2. Remaining times we will write same as it is. I am done the page. So I am going to write the same step in the next page for your understanding. See, same step, see here. And applying Laplace transform on both sides, it is in the form of here. If you look here, all this having t power a all. If a is real, we are going to use this formula. In other words, you can say if n is, that means here a or n anything, here a is a positive integer, we are going to use another formula. Here half 1 by 2 is not a positive integer, no, it's a real number. So that's why here a is a real number. That's why we are going to use this formula. Laplace of t power a, where a is a real number, we are going to use this formula, gamma of a plus 1 by p power a plus 1. Okay. See, now I am going to apply the Laplace. See here. Here a value is 1. Okay, see. Gamma of a plus 1 by p power a plus 1. Here a value is 3 by 2. So here a value is 5 by 2. So sorry. By using this formula, we write this one. These things. So we know very well, we can write it as gamma of n plus 1 can be written as n gamma n. So as well as gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to square root of pi. So by using this 2 only, we are going to simplify this one. Then it can be written as in place of n having half. So half into gamma of, see this one. This one can be written as 3 by 2 into half, 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. How means I will explain. See here. by using this formula. Gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n, no? So that means here n in n place having 3 by 2. So n gamma n, by using this one we write here. So 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1. Here again by using this formula, this gamma function formula, you can write like this. Okay, here n is half, that means 1 by 2, n into square root of n. Okay, see here. So square root pi is equal to gamma of 1 by 2. Here we know, no? So that thing we substitute here. So that's why from this term to this term we will get. Similarly, this one also we can solve like that. Here in place of gamma of 1 by 2, you substitute square root of pi. That's all. See, by doing some small simplifications, we will get this one, okay? In this one, we are going to taking common square root of pi by 2 p power 3 by 2. From all these terms, we are taking it first term common. So that means first term taking common means we will get here 1. Here 2 will vanish out. Square root pi will vanish out. If you transfer here p power 3 by 2, here remains only p, and if you goes here 2, from here goes 2 and square root pi also. Remaining we are writing same as it is, 3 will vanish out. Here square root of pi goes, 1 2 goes. Here p power 3 by 2 goes means here remains p square. 5 will vanish out, remaining terms we will write here. Here after doing some calculations, we will get 1 by p power 3 by 2. See here. I am turning the page. Here, you will get the result now. It is in the form of 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 3 by 3 factorial into x cube plus on so on. Okay, if it was in this form, we can write it in this form. 1 plus x whole to the power of n. So here n is minus 1 by 2 here. X is 1 by p. So we can write it as by using this one. 1 plus 1 by p. Why? Because x is 1 by p, no? Power in place of n minus 1 by 2 here having minus 1 by 2. So I am writing same as it is. See here. S. Here x is 1 by p and n is minus 1 by 2. So that is 1 plus x whole to the power of n. Here x is 1 by p and n is minus 1 by 2. Okay, see here. If you do some small simplification, this one we will get this one. See. Here actually we have to find out this one, no? So for this one we are going to use change of scale property. So that is L of f of a t can be written as 1 by a into f of p by a. You know very well L of f of t is f of p. You know very well. See here. So we have to find out solution for this one actually. So Laplace of error function 2 square root of t. So 2 can be written as square root of 4, no? So like this in this way. So here. See here in this a is 4. Okay. So that means here by using change of scale property we can write it as no 1 by a into f of p by a. So here a is 4, 1 by a into f of p by a. So that means in place of f of p it is f of p. It is f of p. So in place of f of p we have to substitute p by a. A is 4. I am substituting here p by 4. Okay, that's all. Simply by solving we will get this one. We have to get final answer L of t into error function of square root of 40. No, that is by using the multiplication with the t property. See, that is here n is 1, no, so we will get here this one by substituting n equal to 1. Here minus 1 d by dp into f of p. Here f of p, here this one. Okay, here this one for this one. See here. So we have to differentiate now. See here, 2 is constant taking outside. Here can be written as p inverse is 1 separately we can write, and p plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 as one term. See, this is one term and this is one term. By using UV formula, UV dash plus VU dash, if you solve this one, we will get this result. 3p plus 8 by p square into p plus 4 whole power 3 by 2. So, if you have any doubts, you can comment below. If you want to see further videos in my channel, you can subscribe my channel. You can say your opinion by liking and unliking the video. Thank you. See you in next video.